One sunny morning, I got an exciting phone call invitation to fly the new Sigma FP camera on a drone. I literally ran into the store for this sneak peek at Sigma's newest mirrorless 35mm size full-frame sensored camera. It takes interchangeable lenses, has a big 26.4 megapixel sensor, but it only weighs 14 ounces, and it fits in the palm of your hand. Although we were going to fly only a pre-production working prototype, the test would prove how flight-ready this new camera was going to be. I found Billy Malo already assembling the camera package for attachment to a drone. Be sure to use the Sigma BPL11 plate whenever you attach a gimbal adapter. Note, there is also a locking pin that fits into the camera body. You really have to use this accessory as the body of this camera is so small, it will not allow enough clearance to attach it without this adapter. Billy then attaches the gimbal's plate and we are ready to mount the camera on the drone. It took him just a few minutes to balance this wonderful new camera package instead of the 30 minutes or more it might have taken him with a larger camera package. Off we go to our drone practice field. Once Billy rechecked the rig for balance, he then made sure all the flight systems of the drone were ready for takeoff. I will provide the B camera footage with another drone to document the flight. Let's watch the takeoff. Our very first footage with the Sigma FP full-frame camera. Billy, who is a national champion RC pilot, now smoothly maneuvers the drone around these obstacles. Wow, he really moves in close here. Did you see that abrupt yaw movement? Billy decides to generate some high G maneuvers to see if he can get the camera to glitch. He's truly amazed how agile this rather large drone has become with the featherweight payload of the camera, while also significantly extending battery flight time. Just watch the dust of those fast drifting RC cars in the background. What a fun first flight. And Billy, of course, makes a perfect landing. We can quickly check the footage on the built-in monitor. For more information, purchase, store locations, and for your very own first takeoff, please visit the Sammy's Camera and Sammy's CinemaWorks website. And here's to great images, beautiful footage, and to happy landings with your Sigma FP camera.